Hi guys, welcome back to SeveUp. I'm Ivan, and in this video I'm going to be explaining how to download the data from an IFC file and using it in SeveUp app. In a few simple clicks you can easily extract the data as a CSV or JSON file without the need for complex coding or plugins. CSV files with their spreadsheet simplicity are perfect for those who love clear tabular data. On the other hand, JSON files offer structured, detailed information, ideal for those looking for a deeper dive into data intricacies. So first of all, head over to the SeveUp app and log into your account. Go to the main menu on the left-hand side and click on the BIM models folder. As you can see, I have a lot of BIM models already uploaded here, but I'm going to upload a brand new one for now. So go to upload BIM model at the top of the folder. Next, you can choose the model type. As you can see, there's a lot of different ones over here, from ARC, EHV, etc. I'm going to choose ARC here. Next, click on the attach file icon on the right-hand side and select a BIM model. Again, this can either be from your computer or from online, but in this case I'm going to choose local source, which in this case is my computer. Select the IFC file that you want and then click on open, and then I'm going to click on create. As you can see, the file that I have uploaded is sitting right at the top of my list over here. Now if I click on it, all of the details will come up. Here you can see that under the Jobs tab, it's showing a loading line. When this turns into a green tick like this one, it means that your BIM model is uploaded and ready to go. You can also click on a green tick in order to see the job details. Under conversion, it shows how it has parsed the IFC file to push data inside the database. And under a data set, it shows the creation of all data tables, which are needed to automate the Power BI dashboard creation and make it available to download in CSV and JSON. Then go to your BIM model on the right-hand side of it, and you'll see option menu, which is these three dots over here. Click on it and then click on Get Data. This is only available with one of our paid plans, so if you're still on a freemium plan, then you'll need to upgrade. Here you can choose to filter data that you would like to download from your BIM model. For today, I'm going to download all assets, and I'm going to choose CSV as my format. Now, before I download the data, I just want to show you that over here you can also view all of the asset schema under this button over here. And the Power BI query is already written for you. Okay, so let's head back and click on download. And the Save As pop-up will appear, and you'll need to write in the name of your file, as it will be set up to save as simply as asset. So I'm going to write in my name and then click on save. Now, before we open up the spreadsheet, we actually need to make sure that it will display correctly. So first open up an Excel workbook and then click on File in the top left. Scroll down to Options, and in the pop-up window, click on Customize ribbon. Now just make sure that Data is checked and press on OK. So now go to the data pane and click on Get Data from File and then from Text/CSV. Then select the CSV file that you want and click on Import and then click on Load. As you can see, all the data is now collated nice and neatly in an Excel file separated out by the schema, ready for you to explore. And that just about wraps up our journey today into the world of IFC data extraction with the SeveUp app. Now remember, the power of data is not just in its collection, but in its application, transforming raw numbers and facts into insightful, actionable decisions for your projects, and therefore making your workflow even more efficient and your projects more successful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and talks that help you stay ahead in this digital construction space. And if you haven't signed up for SeveUp yet, then head over to our website to take a look at how we can actually help you streamline the entire BIM process with the innovative and revolutionary SeveUp app. Until next time, bye!